If you're tired of getting notified every time one of your contacts joins Telegram, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to disable those contact join Telegram notifications. And by the end, you'll have a cleaner notification experience on your phone and a little more peace and quiet. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch the Telegram app on your device. Go ahead and find the Telegram icon and tap to open it. If you're like me and use Telegram often, it's probably sitting right there on your home screen. But if not, don't worry, just look through your app list or use the search feature on your device. Making sure you're in the app is the first step to customizing your notification preferences. Next, we need to access Telegram settings. Now, depending on whether you have an Android or an iPhone, the way you get to settings is slightly different, but it's just a small detail. If you're on Android, look for those three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Tap those and you'll see a sidebar slide out with several options. If you're on iOS, you'll spot a gear icon, usually down at the bottom right. Just tap to open up your settings. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find. Telegram's interface is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Once you're in the settings, the next stop is your notifications menu. You're looking for something that says notifications and sounds, or sometimes just notifications, depending on your version of the app. Go ahead and tap on that option. This section is essentially the control panel for all the alerts Telegram will send you, from message sounds to pop-ups. Taking control here means you only get notified about things you really care about. Now scroll down until you come across the events section. This part includes several different notification types, some of which are enabled by default. Contact Join Telegram should be listed here. Sometimes this part is a bit lower down, so don't hesitate to take your time scrolling. You want to make sure you've got the right switch. Finally, here comes the key part. Toggle off the switch next to Contact Join Telegram. By flipping this off, you're telling Telegram to stop sending those often unnecessary alerts every time a new friend or acquaintance joins the app. A small gesture, but it can make a big difference, especially if your contacts are joining Telegram at different times and your phone feels like it's constantly buzzing. Turning this off is kind of like closing a window to outside noise. Your notifications will focus on what matters and you'll reclaim a bit of digital serenity. And that's it. You've successfully disabled those Contact Join Telegram notifications. If you followed along step by step, your Telegram will be a bit less cluttered from now on. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and tweak notifications anytime your preferences change. If this tutorial helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical how-tos like this. If you ran into any issues, or if you have questions about other features in Telegram, just drop a comment below. I do my best to reply and help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.